Why would someone go to an esthetician versus a dermatologist?
It's a great question. Estheticians are your monthly oil checkups and cleanouts, if you
Okay,
will.
good analogy.
Dermatologist is your yearly wake up call. You need your oil change and then you need your yearly annual analysis.
Hmm.
And dermatologists, they do the body checkups from head to toe. They
Yep.
scan you for moles, they scan you for uh, any sort of skin tags, these types of things. Whereas an esthetician, that is your monthly or every 2 or 3 months, that's your oil change.